You like to rub your nipples?
Yeah. And spirit fingers, because I'm a cheerleader. Spirit fingers. Oh, stop it. Hold your applause.
Wiggle fingers.
I want some coffee.
Wiggle my
I
fingers.
want some coffee. I like your hands. They're really sweaty. I gotta, yeah.
Right next to
That's really gross.
Right next to Red Lobster. We should go get some biscuits.
Oh, no, Danielle. Danielle. Hey, Danielle, can I have a sip of that?
You can try.
I love coffee. Empty. Okay, I'm done. Before I poke my eye out. I'm so messy. Oh. I like to massage my face every time before I sing. I'm about to sing the national anthem. Oh,
Go over there, Danielle.
I love your hat, Danielle. Oh, I dropped it. Can you mind picking that up for me myself? Thanks, Caleb, myself. Oh, my favorite hat in the world. I think I lost an arm. Oh, no, I didn't. Here it is. Here's my stuff.
You carry a purse, Caleb.
This is my man bag. I wore it like a necklace. This is my bling. So
What is on Miles' hand?
I need to brush my teeth.
Chocolate. I brushed my teeth with that. Don't do that.
Minty
God.
fresh. Alright, that's an awesome toothbrush. Oh, I need to comb my hair too.
Oh, here.
I mean my face. Oh, my hair. Yep, I love combing my hair. This is fun.
This is going on YouTube.
Good catch, Dalton. Oh. I love candy with a wrapper on it.
Miles, that's the candy you gave me.
Man, this is fun. I'm emo on my face. Excuse me while I shave. And I'm gonna shave my nipples. That's right. Oh. Whoa, where's my hand doing? Oh, there we are. You're fast. Anyways. So, Dalton, what's up, man? Can you give me some coffee? Just kidding. Danielle? Danielle, come here. I like your hair.
Oh, okay.
Did I mention I'm cannibal? My hands have gone away. Oh, no, they haven't. Here we go. Get off of my purse.
Oh, you don't want to pull stuff out of there.
Hi.
Miles, be careful what's in there, okay?
Hey, what's up?
There's some stuff in there.
Just like my best friend who has big lips. He bought me this. And yeah. I'm on my
Caleb!